Welcome to yet another Python programming video from your GK Buddy. In this video, we are going to provide solution to one of the common Python homework assignment questions given by the CBSE schools. The assignment is accept a number from the user and print its digits in the reverse order. Example, if the input provided by the user is 1, 2, 3, the program has to split the digits as 1, 2, and 3 and has to print it in the reverse order, one below the other as 3, 2, 1. Let's see how we can do that. What you see here is the ideally Python editor. We shall be using the Python version 3.7, and the first step for solving this problem is to accept a number from the keyboard, convert it into an integer and store it in a variable. So we use the input function in Python for that. Input function displays whatever is put within the parenthesis. So in this case, the input function will display, please enter a function having 2 or more digits. And once the user inputs the number, it will be in the form of text. That will be converted into integer by the int function of Python. And then it will be stored in the variable n. Now we have to split the number into digits. How do we do that? So we use the while loop. For the while loop to execute, the condition is n should not be equal to 0, or n should always be more than 0. Why n not equal to 0? Exclamation equals to means not equal to. The variable d would store the value n modulus 10. So what does n modulus 10 do? The modulus function returns the remainder of a division. So n modulus 10 means the input given by the user n is divided by 10 and the remainder is stored in d. As we all know, when you divide a number by 10, the digit in the units place will be the remainder. So if the number is 361, when you do modulus 10 of 361, you will get 1 and that will be stored in d. The next statement is n / equals 10. The double slash is the operator for flow division. So / equals is the same as n equals n / 10. So what does the flow division do? It returns the integer quotient of this division. Say for instance, if we do 361 / 10 or 361 flow division 10, what we get is 36. That is the integer part of the quotient. Now the value of n becomes 36. And d, as we know, will be the unit digit in the original number. So at this stage, the number printed would be d, which is equal to 1 in our example. Now, after the first loop, what happens when the second loop happens? So the number will be checked to see if it is 0. So if original number was 361, when you do the second step, n will be equal to 36. Now, is 36 equal to 0? No, it is not. So what happens? This line will be executed. 36 modulus 10 will be calculated. What is 36 modulus 10? It is 6. So that will be stored in d. Then 36 flow division 10 is 3 and that will be stored in n. And d will be printed. So d will be 6. So this loop is repeated till the value of n, which is computed here, becomes equal to 0. So let's run this program and see how it works. So let's click on run module. Let's type a number 1, 2, 3. So you get the numbers 3, 2, 1 in the reverse order. Now let's type one more number. Run module. Let me type 8790. You get 0978, which is essentially in the reverse order. Hope you found this video useful. Please click on the like button if you like this video. If you love our channel, click the subscribe button. Looking forward to seeing you again with another Python programming video next week. Have a great weekend.